I am a bilingual tutor who is proficient in English and Spanish. Today is the first lesson of Spanish and we will be studying the sounds and letters in Spanish. So let's get started. On the leftmost side, we got letters in Spanish. In the middle, we got pronunciation of Spanish alphabets. On the rightmost side, we got sounds of alphabets in Spanish. The first letter is A. It is pronounced as A. It is quite similar to the pronunciation of A in father. B is pronounced as Bay. It is pronounced very softly. C is pronounced as say. We got an additional alphabet in Spanish after C, that is CH. It is pronounced as Ch. It is quite similar to CH in church. D is pronounced as they. E is pronounced as A. F is pronounced as Afe. G is pronounced as hey. So we got H in the pronunciation of G. So next is H. H is pronounced as A-J. I is pronounced as double E, like in pronunciation we will be saying E. It's quite similar to double E in the English word feet. J is pronounced as hota. Hota, yeah, J it starts from H. The sound starts from H, hota. K is pronounced as ka. L is pronounced as ele. And the second additional alphabet coming after L is double L, which is pronounced as aye. It's quite similar to Y in yes, aye. M is pronounced as ame. N is pronounced as ene. The third additional alphabet which comes after N is Nye. The sound is Nye. O is pronounced as O, quite similar to O in no. P is pronounced as pay. Q is pronounced as ku. R is pronounced as ere. The fourth additional alphabet, and it comes after R. It is double R. It is we will be putting stress on double R. Ere. R was ere. Double R is ere. S is pronounced as ese. T is pronounced as te. U is pronounced as u. It's like double O in pool. V is pronounced as way. W is pronounced as W. X is pronounced as Akis. And Y is pronounced as Y. And Z is pronounced as Zeta. Gracias amigos. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Adios.